Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to use ChatGPT to do shopping research. Okay, so if you have any kind of research, any kind of products that you are targeting that you want to buy, probably from Amazon or from AliExpress or from any markets that you think, or you just want to generally conduct an overview or a general market research about a product, I think ChatGPT can be your best friend because they have introduced the market research or shopping research option within. So let me show you what I'm trying to say in general. So once you are on your ChatGPT, you can come to the plus sign over here. You can click and you can come all the way to shopping research over here. So you can just click on it and then you can give in the type of research that you want to do. Alright, so let's say I have selected the shopping research. So I'm going to use 3 use cases in here. So the first one is I want to start a YouTube channel. My budget is $800 and I need a camera with 4K video, good autofocus and long battery life for indoor talking head videos. Now compare at least 3 options and recommend the best value for money for me. Okay, so let's just go ahead and hit on enter to this using shopping research as our own target feature. So let's see what this is going to come up with. Alright, so usually it's going to gather some requirements from you. Preferred camera type, it could be compact, DSLR, mirrorless, action. So let's say I'm going with DSLR and I'm going to get off this, and then audio setup plans, built-in mic only, external mic inputs. I'm the one that has built-in and external lab mic support as well. So let's just go ahead and allow it to do its work. Now it's evaluating the prices and features, and then it's going to give us some comparison and then select the best based on the preferences that we have added. Alright, so as you can see, it has given us here are 3 strong 4K good autofocus pics under $800 indoor talking head YouTube videos. You can see it's suggested Canon EOS R50, which is the pricing is $716, which is very reasonable compared to the price that we gave it. And then these are some of the what's great for, why it is great for you. Watch out, if you record long sessions, you would want an extra battery or USB power depending on what you want. So and then Sony ZV-E10 is what I have at the moment, and take a look at the pricing. It's reasonably very okay, and this is why it is great and what to watch out for. The Nikon Z720. So these are the 3 recommended options that it has given you, and then my recommendation, which is the best value, is Canon EOS R50, and these are the reasons. Spend the remaining budget smartly on this feature. So making market research is very easy. Now can do product research and survey and find out what is the best product that you need to buy based on recommendations of people, and then from the sites that it has gone to make the research. All right, so let me look at another use case. So let's still go back to the plot sign and go back to shopping research, and then I'll first this. He said, I'm a civil engineering student and I need a laptop under $1,000. It must run an AutoCAD, MATLAB, and allow light video editing. So the commentary options with specifications and explain why each one is suitable. So I can just go ahead and hit on enter here, and let me see what this is going to come up with for me, whether it's going to recommend the best laptop for me as a civil engineering student, because I may need some computing power. So preferred screen sizes, I prefer 15 to 16 inches, and then let's go. Preferably Mac or even Windows. Let me have 2 options. Long battery, okay, large storage. Okay, so let's just give it some seconds to see what this is going to come up with. Alright, so in the best 4K cameras, take a look at what it has brought out, even with the images. Okay, so you can have a look. This is a comparison table that it has given us in terms of all the cameras that it has given us. Then additional strong pics. You can see the runner of the best video feature alternative for under 700. You can see even with links that you can easily click to get there. This one is a little bit above the budget. Okay, so this is it. Now 3 laptops for under the 1,000 for AutoCAD, MATLAB, and light video editing. The summary, this is the best, overall best for 1,000, and you can click, and these are the specifications for that particular laptop. And over here, why this is the strongest pick, it has given reasons, specs that matters for your use. This is it. And then over here we have the second best balance of performance, size, and storage. This is the one with the link. Once you click, this is the available price that you can be able to have access to. Now this is the 4th best pick with these prices. So It is really doing wonderful. This is the quick comparison table that it has generated for the three selected, and you can see why this with AutoCAD and MATLAB relates, and then how to choose among the three if you want to choose on the old based on what the system or what the AI has chosen for you. So basically, the whole idea is you can now do a lot of market or shopping research with ChatGPT, and you can go ahead and try it on your own. You can give as much details as you want to be able to get the best product or the best pricing and best qualities and features according to your desire. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.